Hi guys, welcome to week 7 of Technology Friday with me, Miss Martinez. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you had a wonderful week, and if you're ready, let's get started. We are going to continue our animal research project. If you don't remember, the word research is when you're looking up information on a particular topic or subject or thing. Our topic that we're going to be focusing on is animals. So, last week I uploaded an animal alphabet challenge onto our Facebook page. You either had this copy or you had one that looked just like this. If you didn't have this copy available, you were able to make your own just like I did with mine. Remember, we were supposed to fill out all the alphabet letters with an animal from the San Diego Zoo website. If you don't remember what to do, stay tuned and I'll show you. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your internet browser and type in to the URL bar the link, our website, symboly.com/mix/Miss Martinez's Tech Class. If that is too long for you to type, or if you just want to click on something and get there to it quickly, what I'm going to do is add that link into the comments on our Facebook post that we're about to do with this video. Okay, so once you get to our class Symboly Technology page, you're going to go over here to Animal Research Pages. It is the orange tile. You're going to click on it, and your second tab will open up. Scroll down, and on your right, you're going to see San Diego Zoo Kids. It's a black tile with purple letters. Go ahead and click on that. And if you remember from last week, we took our Animal Alphabet Challenge sheet, and we scrolled down under the section Animals. Right down here where it said Type, we went to Any, and we found an animal for every single letter of the alphabet. Now, there was something that I found out that I forgot to share with you. There were a couple letters that were missing on the website, like the letter I, which I put iguana, the letter Q, which I put quail, U, I put urchin, V, vulture, and X, xanthus. So those letters were actually missing from this list of animals, but don't worry about it. As long as you have 10 or more, you're okay. What you're going to do is you're going to choose an animal that you're interested in. It can either be an animal that you know or an animal you'd like to learn more about. Now, if you have not completed this Animal Alphabet Challenge, that's okay. Go to last week's video, week 6, open up this Animal Alphabet Challenge document, or you can download it or create your own, and I'll show you how to do that in week 6, and you can get started. So now that we're on week 7, we already have this completed sheet. I went ahead and chose the letter O, and I did Okapi. So Okapi is going to be under the letter O. I'm going to put this to the side. And you can click on whatever animal you choose. You are choosing your own animal from the list that you created off of the animals of San Diego Zoo. You researched animals' names, and then you wrote them down. So that's your first step. So choose an animal that you are either interested in or you would like to know more about. So I'm going to choose the Okapi because it's an animal that I've heard of, but I don't know any facts. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Once your page opens up, the next thing you're going to do, and I'm going to attach this in the comment section, you have an animal research graphic organizer. Your animal research graphic organizer has 5 sections that you're going to fill out. Don't worry if you're going to try to do this all at once. Take your time. You could just start with the first area, which is the animal names. That's the first thing you have to do, is choose your animal. Since I chose the Okapi, I'm going to write that in here. The second section we're going to focus on is called facts. Third one is habitat. 4 is where you draw a picture. And number 5, other information. So the first thing I'm going to do, since I know that my animal is an Okapi, is I'm going to go ahead and write that on my animal research graphic organizer, which I just did earlier. Once I have that written down, I'm going to move down to habitat. So habitat is right down here. If you don't know what the word habitat means, it's a place where plants and animals live. So I wrote that definition, that word right here, so it's part of my animal research vocabulary. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, and if you're wondering where do you find the information on your animal about their habitat, is right here. There's a little area that says habitat and tells you what part of your area that your animal lives in. So my animal, the Okapi, lives in the rainforest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my marker, or if you have a pencil or crayon, whatever writing utensil you have, go ahead and write that your animal's habitat, mine's going to be the rainforest, so I'm going to write rainforest. Wherever your animal lives, you're going to write that in the habitat area. just like this. So I already completed 2 parts. I did the animal name and the habitat. Next part is going to be facts. A fact is a true piece of information. You're probably wondering, well, how am I going to find that? I already have that same little area right here that tells me where the habitat is. I also have food that my animal eats, and I have a size of how big or small my animal is. So a fact is something that's true. I'm going to write my animal is 5 feet tall because I want to know how big my animal is. So I wrote under facts, 5 feet tall. Next, let me see if I can find another fact on this page. Plants. Oh, so he eats plants. He or she eats plants, leaves, twigs, or fruit. So I already have another thing I could write. I could put eats plants, or you could put leaves, twigs, fruit. Whatever your animal eats, you can write that down. So far I have 2 facts. I have that my okapi is 5 feet tall. They eat plants. And then let me add one more right now, and then I'll add 2 later on for facts. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go to description. It says, with its white and black striped hindquarters and front legs, a okapi looks like it must be related to zebras, but it is actually the only living relative of the giraffe. Wow, I did not know that. So an okapi's relative is a giraffe. They're in that same family. So I'm going to put related to the giraffe. So right now I have 1, 2, 3 facts. Guys, if you don't know how to spell or if it's too much writing, use the website as your resource. That's why you're researching information on your animal. You're learning about your animal by using online websites such as San Diego Zoo to find information to complete your animal research graphic organizer. So I did my animal name, I did my facts, and I did my habitat. Now the picture, I'm not the best artist. That's Miss Hernandez, your specials art teacher area. So I'll try to do a drawing by the end of the week and upload it in next week's video. Now for other information, I think that'd be something that you find interesting about your animal. It doesn't have to be something that you already have right here, like they're 5 feet tall or they eat plants. It could be anything else that you have read as you scroll down on your animal page. So that's all you're doing this week, is you're finding your animal from your animal alphabet challenge list, and then you're going to create your own animal research graphic organizer, complete your animal name, your animal's habitat, and a couple of facts about your animal. If you don't finish the other 2 sections, that's fine. If you do, that's even better. I'm going to work on mine throughout the week, and I'm going to upload it for you. I really hope you enjoyed your animal research activity from last week, and as we continue, we're going to add a little bit more each week. I hope to hear from you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the Facebook post that I'm about to make with this video, or send me an email. I love you, I miss you, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. See you soon.